Hey everybody, welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. I am out with my BFF, Sunshine Sarah, yet again, and we are hunting for some morels. We are in southern Indiana and this season is a little bit later than usual. It is the end of April and we have had lots of rain and it's nice and cool. And so we are hitting the woods today, and right off the bat, right off the road, I have already found my first mushroom. There she is. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We've got a few poplar trees around here. It's actually a little grove of poplar trees, some nice big old growth. And so we're gonna go a little bit deeper in the woods and see what else we can find. Got another one right at the base of this tulip poplar. That one. That is a fresh little yellow right there. Oh, nice. Add it to my collection. Oh, that's about to fall off. Ooh, check out the size of this poplar. My God, it's even got a little hole in it. That's nuts. And look, there's a fresh poplar flower. It's pretty. Hey, little buddy. This is turtle number 2 that I've seen so far. So I found this interesting looking thing on the ground. Anybody know what that is? Smells like a mushroom. Found a cute little cave. Kind of. So I was just sitting here admiring this little cave looking thing, and then straight ahead I found one. Can you see it? Can you see it up there? So I'd say I'm probably, I don't know, how many feet am I away, Sarah? 7 feet? 7 feet away from this mushroom.
Where's the mushroom?
Right there, see where those briars are? Just a little bit. I'd say
probably about 12.
No, right there, right in front of me. Here, I'll show you. So I'd say about 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to this mushroom right here. So that's about as far as my eyesight goes. So whenever we're looking for mushrooms, I try to keep my eyesight right on the ground in front of me, because if I look too far ahead, I'm not going to find anything. So that's a fresh one.
Yes, I was just around this tree.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I could have missed it, but
yeah.
You know.
Where there's one, there is more. So we're sitting in a, what do you call it? Probably like a creek bed type situation where it floods with the creek every once in a while. So it is extremely juicy down here. And I didn't find any morels, but I did find this old, crusty oyster mushroom. I don't think I'll eat it though. Found a little good luck buckeye. I think I'll put it in my pocket and see if it gives me any luck finding any mushrooms today. Oh, you ain't gonna step on it, 'cause she's ginormous. Oh, look at that big girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is a juicy,
That is a pretty
juicy
one.
mushroom.
That's beautiful.
Right by this cedar tree,
Yep.
and whatever that dead
That's
tree
a
is.
ash tree.
Dead ash and a cedar.
Yep.
Perfect combination. Well,
Beautiful.
where
That
there's
is nice.
one, there is more. But where?
I don't know.
I think we found a little spot. She looks a little dry, but and it's a little dry on the top. She's a little crispy, but the size is what we want.
Bigger than the other?
No, it might have been. I see another one straight ahead. It looks real dry. But we got ourselves a spot here. I'll go up and show you that dry one here in a second. It is exceptionally green. We're used to going when it's a little bit browner, if you will, earlier on in the season. So this is, I'm telling you, this is late in the season. That's when all the big yellows come out.
And I'm trying to watch as I walk.
I've yet to see a snake. Seen some turtles, no snakes.
Only thing I've seen is
Knock
a
on
big
wood.
ass black snake. And I've seen a little green snake the other day.
Oh, I haven't seen one of those in a minute.
Where you at now?
All right, so I got this one. If you look up here, I got the next one, but she's a little past her prime here. And then Sarah found one. I gotta watch where I step here. Where's her next one? Oh yeah. Right there. Oh, these look good. Finally, biggest ones of the journey. So let's
I
see.
see another one over there.
Oh my
You
God.
see it?
Yep, I see it. My God.
Yeah, down to kick
Okay,
until
I'm gonna walk through with you guys and show you everything we found in this line. All right. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. There's that one, Sarah.
Did you get the one?
Oh my God, Sarah!
Yeah, that was the one I was.
There's one over here too. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna cry.
Chelsea, you stepped on this one.
No, I didn't.
Right here?
No, it was already like that. I
Okay,
promise
there's one
you.
right there.
I know, I saw that one. And then this one over here. Oh, Sarah, we did it. Oh my God, look at that one. Oh God. Oh,
There's two right here. See?
oh my God.
That one's way past its prime. I'm gonna leave it.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Probably should leave these two.
My video skills cannot be great right now because I'm literally just flopping all over the ground. I am. Look at that. Let's get a side view. She just flopped over a little bit. Oh my God. We hit the jackpot. Sad part is I don't even know where I am. We're somewhere on our property, but couldn't tell you where. Another one. These are some giant, giant yellows. I am so excited. We've been waiting all year for these big yellows. Last of the season, this is a great way to finish our season. Another one. Seen better days, but she's there. Wow. Sarah. I can't. I can't. I can't. Look at it. This is it. This is the one. There's dirt all over my hands. Oh my God. It's so big. There's a nice dead ash tree right there. Dead. dead. Look, this is one of the first ones I found. Look at the size difference. Sarah!
The three amigos.
Number 4? Turtle number 4? All right, everybody, it has been a great day. We got off to a slow start, but we did find a few mushrooms. And then to end our day on our very own property, we got into a mess of giant yellows. So my advice, stick to dead ash trees, stick to cedar trees, and get off the path. Get in the thick of it because that's where they're at. So thank you all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.